Anushka, last class we are not there, it seems. So, 35. Magnification of compound microscope is 30. Magnification of compound microscope is 30. Focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. And image is formed at distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. What is the magnification of objective? When in compound microscope, image is at DDV, then magnifying power is magnification of objective into 1 plus D upon FE. अब ये फॉर्मूला आपको 10 बार लिखना चाहिए, नहीं तो there is no point in doing the sum. So 30 equals to MO 1 plus 25 upon 5, 5 5 is 25. 30 is MO into 6, therefore MO equals to 5. Is that MO equals to 5 है option 5 बराबर match? Yes.
हाँ सर.
Those who have not done, please write this formula because NEET में यही standard ऐसे ही सब सम आएंगे आपको. So at least formula you should know. The Monday and Friday I said I will be taking revision, and Wednesday, Sunday you will write objective ka test. This Monday, which chapters revision you want? Tell me first from your side. Shall I start from paper 1? That means from full 11th standard again? Or any particular chapter you want me to start first? Sahil? Sahil? Hello, Sahil? Sahil, you can hear? Sahil? Sahil, you can hear? Hello, Sahil? Anushka? Ishika?
Yes, sir.
Which chapter revision you want first?
Fluid mechanics.
Okay. That means mechanical properties of fluids. Okay. After this, give me 3 chapters because in 1 week we will revise at least 3 chapters or at least 2. After mechanical properties, which you would like? Gravitation, circular motion, oscillation. Which one? Which other chapter, Ishika?
Gravitation.
चलो अभी ये 2 चैप्टर पे पहले फोकस करेंगे. This is our revision target for coming week. That is from 8 to 15 February. So I will plan the sheets for you all as with respect to this. (35th, 34th you all got? Anybody got the answer?
Yes sir. Option C.
34th का option C बराबर है. 33 आया? 33?
सर कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, all of you try then. 33 try just now. 34 का आंसर C नहीं आया तो बोलना, फिर मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ. And 33 का भी answer is C. Please try. If you are not getting, then I will do for you. The magnifying power of microscope with an objective of 5 millimeter, focal length 400, length of tube is 20, then focal length of eyepiece will be how much? Magnifying power 400, focal length 5 millimeter, which you can write as 0.5 centimeter, length is 20 centimeter, focal length of eyepiece we want. See, nothing given, remember this. It is normal adjustment. ये बाहर होना चाहिए दिमाग में. In normal adjustment, final image is at infinity, and for that our formula is in terms of distance between tube, L upon F4 into Fp upon into D upon Fp. Write this again 10 times. Just now, M equals to L upon F4 into D upon Fp. L upon F4 into D upon Fp. L upon F4 into D upon Fp. Please practice 10 times. M equals to L upon F4 into D upon Fp. L upon F4 into D upon Fp. Practice. And then substitute the values. This is difficult because we don't know the formula. So M equals to L upon F4 into D upon Fp. 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 Done 33. Is it coming answer C? 33 is coming answer C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
32, will you try? Answer is A, just try. 2 minutes I will give. If you are not able to do, I will explain. So remember this also, for relaxed eye, image is at infinity, final image. For relaxed eye, final image is at infinity. For normal adjustment, also final image is at infinity. For near point, it is DDV. Far point, infinity. Divina? Hello, Divina, you can hear me? Yes, साहिल आया क्या आंसर 32 का ए?
Yes, sir.
32 ए आ गया? Shall I explain or you got the answer?
Sir, आ गया.
Okay, other students, they also got the answer? Swarno,
Yes, sir.
आया?
हाँ सर आ गया.
Okay, बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को सबको आया आंसर? हाँ, आर्यन?
Yes, sir.
What the answer, Aryan? Okay. 31. Answer is A. Please try. See, even one student is not getting, please tell, then I will solve. A person who can see the things most clearly at distance of 10 requires spectacle to enable you to see clearly things at distance of 30. What should be the focal length of the spectacle? So option में दो चीज दिया है, type of lens and value of focal length. A person can see object clearly at distance of 10. He wants to see him at the distance of 30 clearly. That means when image should come at 10 ka distance, if the object is 30, this is the meaning. See, when you are seeing the object, then object image should be on same side or different side. Hello? Suppose this is lens and you are seeing the object. तो उसका इमेज भी उधर ही दिखना चाहिए कि अलग अलग जगह पे दिखना चाहिए?
उधर ही दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ, तो अगर ऑब्जेक्ट लेफ्ट पे है तो इमेज पे लेफ्ट पे रहना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
तो वो लोग बोल रहे हैं 30 सेंटीमीटर वाला ऑब्जेक्ट उसको ठीक से देखना है, तो 10 सेंटीमीटर पे उसका इमेज दिखना चाहिए, तभी ठीक से दिखेगा वो. उसके लिए वो लेंस पहन रहा है. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So this is minus 1 upon 10 minus of minus 30. So this will become minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30. That will be equals to minus 3 plus 1 upon 30 minus 2 upon 30. 1 upon f minus 1 upon 15. So f equal to minus 15. तो कौन सा लेंस लेगा वो, कॉनकेव क्या कॉन्वेक्स?
Okay.
कॉनकेव लेंस ऑफ लेंथ 15. ये आंसर ए में है. 15 कॉनकेव. Done?
Yes, sir.
And try 29. Correct answer is A. 28 also. Correct answer is A. And the 29th first I am doing for you. 30th रह गया ना? To remove myopia, that means short-sightedness, a lens of power 0.66 is required. Then distance of eye is approximately, distance point of the eye is approximately how much? Distant point of the eye is approximately how much?
Sir, B option.
अब डिस्टेंस पॉइंट मतलब फोकस पे मिलना चाहिए ना? क्या आंसर है? बी है? बी?
Yes, sir. 150.
ठीक है, 29th का करो अभी. Two parallel pillars are 11 kilometer away from an observer. Important समय ये. Two pillars parallel, they are 11 kilometer away from an observer. The minimum distance between the two pillars, minimum distance, so that they can be seen separated, will be how much? So minimum distance between two is called resolution power. So that they must be seen separately, theta is called resolution power. We know resolution power is 1.22 lambda upon d, which is same as opposite side d upon this 11 in kilometer. I am writing as 10 raised to 3 meter. So two parallel pillars 11 kilometer away, minimum distance so that they can be seen separately will be how much? So resolution power, we know it should be 1.22 lambda upon d, which is same as d upon 11 kilometer. D means diameter of the lens. Who is going to see this? Human eye ना? So एक थोड़ा ये बाहर चाहिए. For human eye, eye का eye lens has resolution power theta equal to, because ये lambda and d is missing, क्योंकि हम लोग टेलीस्कोप से नहीं देख रहे हैं, तो अपना आंख ही एक लेंस है. This is 1 minute. For human eye to see the object clearly, his eye lens should have resolution power of 1 minute. 1 minute means 1 upon 60 in degree. This is d upon 11 into 10 raised to 3. Degree should be converted into radian. Then only theta is opposite upon adjacent. To convert into radian, this should be multiplied by pi upon 180. Now d becomes 60 into 180 upon pi into 11 into 10 raised to 3. Pi is nearly 3. I am writing 3 into 20. So d is 36 into 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 2 minus 3 upon 11. So this will become 36 upon 11 into 10 raised to minus 1. So approximately 11 3s are 33 into 10 raised to minus 1. 0.3 का आसपास में है ऑप्शन. हेलो, mistake I have done. 3 2s are 6, 0, 18 2s are 36 upon 11, 10 raised to 3 goes up minus 3, so it will become nearly 0.3. We have here option 3. One minute, let me again see. Theta is opposite side which we have to find upon distance d. This is 1 minute, that means 1 upon 60 in degree, that is 1 upon 60 into pi upon 180 in radian. This should be equals to x upon 11 into 10 raised to 3. So x equals to pi into 11 into 10 raised to 3 upon 60 into 180. Oh, पहले मिस्टेक कर दिया था क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So this will be x equals to 3.14 into 11 into 10 raised to 3, 6 into 18 into 10 raised to 2. 3 2s are 6. So x is approximately 11 upon 36. So 1130. X 13 into 6 into 3 is 108. So nearly 3 meter. This is option A. Then 28 is, from theory you should remember, 1 minute is the resolution power of eye lens. Limit of resolution of eye lens, human eye lens, is 1 minute. Twenty-seventh. A satisfactory photographic print is obtained when exposure time is 10 seconds at a distance 2 meter from 60 candela light lamp. CD is called unit of light, candela. The time exposure required for same quality print at a distance 4 meter from 120 candela lamp is how much? Same quality print we require. The print at distance is given, intensity is given. Then what should be the exposure of time? Please write. This is again new formula for you all. Hello? Formula निकाल देता हूं. The quality of print depends upon intensity of light, distance square into time t. So quality factor will depend upon intensity upon distance square into time t. ये आपके लिए नया फॉर्मूला. 99.99% आने का चांस रेयर है, बट क्वेश्चन आ गया तो खाली फॉर्मूला लिख लो. So because quality we require same, so intensity of first upon distance of first square into time of first is intensity of second into time of second into distance square. Just put the values, now you will get it. 26th, no need to do, all aberrations are deleted. 25th also no need to do. Image formed on retina of eye is proportional to. 24th, image formed on retina of eye is proportional to. Right, this is theoretical. Image formed on retina of eyes is proportional to area of the object. Even 23rd not required. Try 21. A person cannot see distinctly at distance less than 1 meter. Calculate power of lens that he should use to read the book at a distance of 25 centimeter. Power of lens that he should be using to read a book at distance of 25. He cannot see distinctly at a distance less than 1 meter. See where he has to keep the book? At what distance he is keeping the book? Hello, at what distance he is keeping the book?
25 centimeter.
25. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हमेशा ये लेना जब तक दिया नहीं होगा. तो लिखो u इक्वल्स टू -25 सेंटीमीटर. 1 के बाद उसको दिखाई नहीं देता है. तो v maximum is -1 meter. P you have to find. Now once you get this hint, then it is simple. Object is book, which is at 25 minus. So he should see the image not beyond 1. Therefore v is -1. वन से पहले दिखा तो उसको क्लियर नहीं दिखाई देता है. What is power of lens? You have to find. So get focal length first. 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Is f coming 100 upon 3? F how much you got? 100 upon 3?
Yes.
Okay. F अगर 100 upon 3 मिला, ये सेंटीमीटर में है, तो मीटर में it will become how much? 1/3 meter? Hello? In meter it will become 1/3. In meter will it become 1/3?
Yes, sir.
So power will become 3 na?
हाँ sir.
Next I am sending refraction related 11th वाला topic. Refraction of through prism. ये सब आना चाहिए आपको. Now can you see first question? There is a prism with refractive index equal to √2 and refracting angle 30. One of the surface is polished Beam of monochromatic light will retrace its path if angle of incident over the refracting surface of the prism is how much? A prism has refractive index means mu root 2. Refracting angle is equals to 30 degree. One of the surface is polished. Beam of light is incident will retrace path. When light retraces the path, retrace मतलब फिर से वही पाथ पे कभी रिटर्न आता है. Light will retrace path if incident normally on mirror. Correct ना? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये मिरर का जो प्रिज्म का जो फेस है ना, सेकंड वाला जिसको पॉलिश किया आपने, उधर लाइट नॉर्मली इंसिडेंट हो गया, इससे रिट्रेस कर दिया अपना पाथ. तो लोग ने बोला है व्हाट इज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दिस आल्सो. फॉर प्रिज्म ए इज r1 प्लस r2. पता है सबको ये फॉर प्रिज्म.
Yes, sir.
अब ये 30 r1 मुझे मालूम नहीं है, r2 तो 0 है बिकॉज इधर रिफ्रैक्शन ही नहीं हो रहा है, 90 डिग्री पे आया. सो r1 बिकम्स 30. तो ये साइड का r1, इधर का i निकालने का है, म्यू दिया है. म्यू ऑफ सेकेंड मीडियम, दिस इज सेकेंड मीडियम, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू फर्स्ट is sin I upon sin R1. So root 2 is sin of I upon sin 30. So sin I is root 2 into sin 30, which is half. Therefore, it is 1 upon root 2. So I equals to 45 degree. Okay? Option C. Very, very important. Some many times asked in the exam. Done?
yes,
Second sum. Angle of minimum deviation for prism of refractive index 1.5 is equals to angle of the prism. Then what is that angle of prism? If cos 41 degree is equivalent to 0.75. See, whenever minimum word given and mu given, use prism formula. So for minimum deviation, if mu is given, use prism formula. So mu is sin of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sin a by 2. So 1.5 is sin of, we want a, delta m is same as a upon 2 divided by sin a by 2. 1.5 is sine of a plus a, 2a upon 2 is a upon sine a by 2. Any math student, those who know formula of sine 2a?
2 sin a cos a.
2 sin a cos a.
Correct. So it will be 1.5 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2 divided by sine a by 2. Sine a by 2, sine a by 2 cancel. So 1.5 upon 2 is cos a by 2. 0.75 cos a by 2. Cos inverse of 0.75, what angle they have given? 41. See, correct now?
Yes, sir.
So can I say 41 degrees a by 2? So a will become 82 degree. Followed or any doubt in the sum? Hello? Followed the sum?
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Good.
Done, sir.
Okay. Third one. In a thin prism of glass having refractive index 1.5, which of the relation between angle of deviation and angle of refraction is correct for thin prism? Relation between delta M and R we want. Which relation is correct? What is meaning of thin prism? For thin prism, what? Mu can be written
Delta
as,
M is equal
yeah,
to delta M is equals to delta.
अच्छा क्या बोला आपने, फिर से बोला वो?
सर वो डेल्टा M डेल्टा हो जाता है और फिर I is equals to
बराबर बराबर बोल रहे हो आप, डेल्टा एम डेल्टा हो जाता है, लेकिन हमको इन्होंने आर पूछा है ना और म्यू दिया है ना, तो मैं ये
हाँ
कॉन्सेप्ट से जाता हूँ कि साइन उड़ा दिया मैंने, ठीक है, ये भी होता है ना, साइन निकल जाता है,
हाँ हाँ सर।
तो टू टू कैंसिल हो गया, तो म्यू ए, ये वही जो आप बोलने वाले वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, फॉर थिन प्रिज्म, ये डायरेक्ट लिखो ऐसा, डेल्टा यू इज म्यू ए इंटू म्यू माइनस वन, ठीक है ना, ये
हाँ
है ना
सर।
फॉर थिन प्रिज्म।
हाँ सर
अब
जी।
ए मतलब क्या होता है, आर बाई टू ना,
यस सर।
बिकॉज मिनिमम रहेगा तो ए इज आर वन प्लस आर टू, विच विल बिकम आर प्लस आर, विच इज इक्वल्स टू ए बाई टू इक्वल टू आर, सो ए इक्वल्स टू टू आर। फिर से देखो, अच्छा सा मैं बोलिए, फर्स्ट मुझे ये मालूम है फॉर थिन प्रिज्म डेल्टा is same as delta m, which is a into mu minus वन। अब डेल्टा m कितना दिया है, नोटेशन में है, mu is 1.5 minus 1, so delta m is a into 0.5। I think this without fail you have understood, correct?
यस सर।
But for prism, a is r1 plus r2 at minimum deviation, r1 r2 are same, suppose it is r, so a will become r plus r, a equals to 2r, therefore a equals to 2r, so I can substitute in equation 1, so from 1 ये 1, delta m is 2r into 0.5, so delta m is same as r, okay?
यस सर।
After this, please try fourth on your own. Yes, got answer fourth. Fourth answer, did you get?
सर बी है.
हाँ बी है बस बराबर. बिकॉज इट इज, देखो प्रिज्म है, एंगल ऑफ मिनिमम डेविएशन पूछा है. तो फॉर प्रिज्म refractive index, by formula it is sine of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine a by 2. So cot of a by 2 is sine of a plus delta m divided by 2 into sine of a by 2. Cot means cos upon sine. This is sine of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine a by 2. Okay, so you can cancel this sine. Cos you can write as sine of 90 minus angle, that is sine of a by 2 or a plus delta m by 2. Both sides sine in between equal, that means 90 upon a by 2 is equals to a plus delta m upon 2. I'm multiplying, so this can be written as 180 minus a upon 2 is a plus delta m upon 2. Cot a by 2 n equals to cot a by 2, which is cos a by 2 sin a by 2. So this 2 cancel. Therefore 180 minus 2a is delta m. Therefore correct answer is done. Hello, done.
Yes, sir.
Today that's all.